Hi, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Today's topic is how to schedule informatica jobs in informatica level. So instead of other scheduling tools, we have different scheduling tools, third-party scheduler tools like Control M, Autosys, like that. So instead of that, we can use Informatica also for scheduling purpose. So how we will schedule that Informatica workflows in Informatica level? So we will discuss that one. So first, what is scheduling and so what is the use of scheduling? So scheduling is just like if you want to run our job at particular time daily. So assume like I want to run my job daily at 2 a.m. So instead of waiting and running those job manually, so we can schedule that job so it will run automatically. So, but most of the organizations in real-time environment, so they will use third-party scheduling tools like Control M, Autosys. So, why they will use a third-party scheduler is like they can set the dependencies. So, like if you want to run the job one job after another job, so then we can set the dependencies using parent and child relationship using third-party scheduler tools. It's very easy to scheduling and monitoring also. It's very easy compared with Informatica scheduling. Assume like I have like this job. So first I want to run first job. So then I want to run after completion of first job. I need to run these three jobs. So for that way, if you want to set the dependencies, so Informatica level it is difficult compared with the scheduling tools. So if you use scheduling tools, so that is very easy to set the dependencies as well as so we can monitor easily compared with the Informatica level. So, but first we learn like how we can schedule in Informatica. So particular time, so how we can schedule. So different options, what are the different options we have in Informatica level. So we can check that. Okay, so let me take one job. So any one job. So this is my workflow. Under workflow, we have option edit. In this, we have one more option that is scheduler. Under scheduler, so we can schedule both the non-reusable and reusable workflows. But this is a non-reusable workflow. So anyway, we can schedule even reusable also. We can able to schedule. So here we have option scheduler. So in this icon, we need to click. So then schedule. So here we have three options, run options, run on integration service initialization, run on demand, and run continuously. So if you use run on demand, so when you run manually by clicking yourself, so then only it will run. So run on integration service initialization. So then we can able to schedule. So here we have different options. Run once, run every, run customize, repeat. So those things we will discuss later. First, we'll discuss about the run once. Run once, in the sense we'll schedule like particular time, like this is the start time. So it will run based on that exact time only it will run. So it won't repeat. So if you want to repeat and if you want to run particular days only, either Friday or Tuesday like that. So then we need to use these different options, run every, customize, repeat, these options. So if you want to run only once, then we have options like start options, that is start date. So today is 26th May, so we can give that 26th Feb 52023. That is the start date. And now time is like 15:50, that is 3:50. So I'm giving 55, I'm giving. See here you can see run options, run on integration service initialization, scheduler options, run once, start date and start time. So, every day, that is, sorry, this is 16:55. Oh, this 15 I'm giving. Yeah, 3:55 it will run. Number of runs once. So only every day only once it will run. So then apply, just click and save this one. So now you can check in monitor level. So it will schedule and it will run at 3:55. It's not showing. So I'm checking this one. You can see this is scheduled at 26/5/2023, 13:55. So once it is succeeded, so then will automatically it will schedule for next day and it will run at the same time. So if job fails, it won't schedule. So once it is succeeded, then only it will schedule for next scheduled time. So that is how to schedule every day once in informatica level. So we have other different options so that we can check how it will work. So we'll wait for 3:55, so whether it will work, it will run or not. We can check that one. Yeah, this is checked in. So I will check out again for editing purpose. Okay, so that is about run once, run every. So if you want to run every 2 hours your job, so then we can give 2 hours, 0 minutes, or like 2 hours, 2 hours, 30 minutes if you want, you can give 2 hours, 30 minutes. So that way you can give. So then also you need to give start time when this job supposed to start on which date and the start time also is supposed to give here. So then end after we should give forever. So means if you want to run more than once in a day, so instead of end after one runs, so we need to give forever. So then it will run. If you want to run 2 hours, every 2 hours, every 3 hours like that, you can set here hours, 3 hours or 2 hours like that. So that that is about to run every. So that's if you want to run cyclic job. So that way we can schedule. Then customize a repeat option. Okay. So here edit. So if you can see, if you want to run some particular weekdays, see here, like if you want to run Monday or Friday, so you can check that days if you want to run and run once or only once you want to run particular day if you want to run only once or run every in the sense if you want to run like cyclic, so every 2 hours or 3 hours if you want to run. So that way we can schedule using this run repeat every 1 weeks. So if you want to run monthly, so that also you can give run one day monthly, one day of very first month, say first of the month or second of the month if you want to run this way. Every Monday, third Monday, or third Saturday, or third Tuesday, third Wednesday. So that way also we can give. So this way we can customize a repeat. We can by using this customize a repeat option, we can schedule to run every week, weekly, and which weekdays we supposed to run. So that also we can schedule. So yes, I'm canceling this one. So you can see now. So we can schedule jobs in informatica level and we cannot set dependencies in informatica level. It's very difficult to set the dependencies if you want to set like this. So that also we can do, but after completion of our first job, so we need to create one trigger file. So if you want to run a second job after completion of this, so there we need to use one event wait task, and that event wait task will look this trigger file, and that way we can schedule, but it is difficult compared with the scheduling tool. So that's the reason we'll use the scheduling tools in real-time environment. So if you want to run particular job or one job if you want to run, so in that case we can schedule in informatica level also. Some organizations are still using informatica only for scheduling purpose. So they want to buy that third party scheduling tool, right? So that's the reason. So they will use Informatica only for scheduling purpose also. So this is a way to schedule the jobs in Informatica. Okay, please like and subscribe. So if you have any doubts, please mention in comments. Thanks.